If your Telegram message is not sending, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue on desktop, and the good news is that in most cases it can be solved quickly without losing your account or chats. We'll check your internet connection, restart Telegram properly, look for possible account restrictions, and then reinstall the app if needed. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and simple step-by-step guides. First, let's check your internet connection. Telegram needs a stable connection to send messages, so start by making sure your Wi-Fi or wired internet is actually working. Try opening a few other desktop apps or websites and see if they load properly. If other apps are also slow or failing, the problem is probably your internet and not Telegram. In that case, reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router if needed, or switch to another network and test Telegram again. If your internet is working fine, the next step is to restart Telegram completely. Sometimes the app just glitches in the background, and a full restart can fix the sending issue right away. On Windows, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the System tray. Find the Telegram icon, right-click it, and choose Quit. This is important because simply closing the window may not fully stop the app. After that, reopen Telegram and try sending the message again. A fresh restart often clears temporary bugs and connection problems. If messages still won't send, especially to people who are not in your contacts or to public groups, your account may have a temporary restriction. Telegram sometimes limits accounts that appear suspicious or are flagged for unusual activity. To check this, send a message to @spambot inside Telegram. This bot can tell you whether your account has any restrictions placed on it. If you do have a limitation, you may need to wait about or follow the instructions the bot provides. This step is really important because if the issue is account-based, reinstalling the app alone will not solve it. Now, if none of that works, the next fix is to reinstall Telegram Desktop. Uninstall the desktop app from your computer first, then go to the official Telegram desktop website and download the latest version. Installing the newest version can fix corrupted files, outdated builds, or app bugs that might be stopping your messages from sending. Once it's installed, log back in with your account and test sending a message again. In many cases, this final step clears the problem completely. So to recap, check your internet connection, restart Telegram from the System tray, check for account restrictions with @spambot, and reinstall the app if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the Telegram message not sent issue on desktop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.